Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto resize column in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet. I have already inserted a column here. This column is currently wider than it needs to be. And you can fix this by going to the header, right-clicking and selecting Resize column. Instead of entering an actual width, choose Fit to Data. This will automatically adjust the column width based on the size of the longest piece of text, like this one down here, and add a little bit of buffer on either side. You can also apply this to multiple columns at once. Simply select the first column, then hold Shift and select all the columns you want to resize. After that, right-click and choose Fit to Data again. And there you go. Everything is now uniformly adjusted. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.